Welcome back to part 2, bath and shower tile ideas. We picked up our solid surface. We've got quartz. The quartz will be for the bench top, the curb, 60-inch curb, the windowsill and the niche sill. We chose Arctic white. It's a bright white quartz. Here it is. So there is our slab. We will cut down and fabricate again for the bench top. Here's our template, as well as a 60-inch curb, niche sill, and windowsill. Of course, these slabs include a backsplash, which we will use for the shower curb here. Cut that down. We will polish the edges, and that's the next step. Install all of our solid surface, and then we start to install tile. It's time to get to work. And there we go. We'll cut the bench top out of this piece right here. All right, guys, we have the tile saw set up. Now this is a 7-inch. Let me show you over here. The 7-inch tile saw. No, this is not a DeWalt 7-inch. This is the Delta. In my professional opinion, the Delta Cruiser 7-inch is the best 7-inch tile saw on the market, especially using this amazing gravity stand. But of course, I had to change the skin to black and yellow. It is now time to start cutting and installing our wavy subway ceramic tile. We have the 7-inch tile saw downstairs. This is for miters. We are going to miter outside corners for the niche as well as the window. And we also have our Porter cable here for all of our straight cuts for the side walls left and right. And of course our mini monolith. Here we go. Time to get to work. And all tile is installed. All of the quartz is installed. It's now time to prep this shower. Let's quickly show you here. We've got our Jolly trim, subway, wavy, miters, top, left, right, quartz on the sill, quartz on the sill. Here's our niche again, mitered all the way around. Our large corner bench, quartz top. Of course, our layout flows all the way through. Full tiles from the bottom, full tiles ending at the bottom of the niche, full tiles at the top of the niche, and everything looks super clean. We're gonna pull the plastic, prep this cut flat river rock. We are grouting the pan oyster gray from Prism, and we are grouting the shower a brand new color from Prism, which is Arctic white, which is brighter than bright white, apparently. So again, large 60-inch curb. Time to prep, time to grout. Today is going to be the final day. We're going to install our trim kit over here. Shower head, trim kit, grout the shower, seal the shower. It's time to get to work. Here we go. What's up, guys? Foam board, wet shimming, square, plumb. Let's quickly show you. And of course, plumb. Let's show you. So yes, you can achieve square plumb walls with foam board. And yes, you can achieve it by wet shimming. It's time to prep the shower, grout the shower, seal the shower, install the trim kit.